200 million people. Everyone has a dream.
I was born to perform.
This is what I live for. This is my dream.
Everyone needs their first big break.
100% yes. Get your golden ticket, man.
And this is the place where dreams become reality.
This is a show that can change your life. You know that, right?
But in 2021, who will be your idol?
I am the next Nigerian Idol.
No, I am the next Nigerian Idol.
Who has the passion?
Music is what I live for.
This means everything to me.
And who will seize the moment?
Today, I'll find out if I'm good enough.
Today, my dreams become a reality.
This is what I was born to do.
This is a journey of discovery.
So, you know, if you want to succeed in this industry, you have to perform like you've never performed before.
A journey of passion.
Are you sure you're ready to be a star?
I've always wanted to be famous.
I want this so bad I can even kill for it.
Sacrifice.
Coming to Nigerian Idol and singing your own song is a big risk.
We're going to throw you into a den of lions.
Hungry lions.
Heartbreak.
Sorry, today's not your day.
This is Richard.
You're not ready.
I'm not happy with what you just gave me.
Please.
No. Nobody's looking for that voice.
You're not what we're looking for.
And joy.
Wow.
That voice just came out of nowhere.
That's the new bar, guys.
I'm impressed.
We got a singer.
So yes from me.
It's going to be a yes from me.
100% yes.
Take your golden ticket and we'll see you in the next round.
This is your story.
My name is Deloye Dotun.
My name is Ahisha.
I am Daniel.
Chiazo Udu.
I'm a Balaji Richard.
I'm a trader.
A fitness trainer.
A hairstylist.
I recently graduated.
This is my dream.
This is my dream.
This is Nigerian Idol.